Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. So we have successfully completed the GET request using the Fetch API. So we'll try to complete this post, update and delete also in this video. So it will be very simple. So we already know about the Fetch API and all those things. Let's try to convert this XHR into a Fetch API. So first one is a post request. So let's try to delete this one all. Okay. So we don't need these all the things. We have the body, or otherwise we can make it as a post also. Now here in this one, so let's create the headers. So we need to have the headers, right? New headers, and here headers dot append content type application slash JSON. So we have converted. Now we create a request equal to new request of, and we will pass the URL. We got the URL, and another one is the method. The method is the post, and the headers we need to pass headers. We can pass the headers like this, and we need to pass the body. So body we need to pass it as JSON dot stringify of post. So we pass this all the data. Now we need to call the fetch API. So fetch of request will send the request dot, then we'll get the response, and we need to convert it into response. We need to read the readable stream, that is nothing but response, and here we need to call the callback, and if any errors is there, catch the error and do the console.log of error. That's it. So we have completed this one also. Now the post request completed. Let's go to the app.js, and here in the app.js, so post here having, so this one, this time this is not an XHR, this one is a fetch. Most probably this is the thing only, so there is no need for us to have code. So now let's restart the server. Okay, so here most probably this is the only thing I think. I hope so. So then let's run the node one, the node server. So by the time it's running, so we'll try to see what we have did. So here we in our post request, so we have created the headers and we have converted the headers to content. We have added this content application slash JSON. So we're telling that what type of data we are trying to send it in the body. And the request, we have created the request, the method is equal to post headers, and we are sending the body. So here the body it will be, which is called as a body, and the fetch request, and these all things we have did. So these all things you people already know. Let's go into this one. So let's refresh this page and get post. We are able to get it and click on the add post. So we are able to successfully add the post request. So this is how we are sending. Fine. The post request is completed. Now we need to do the update request. So this is also one and the same only. So we can copy this entire post thing. Okay. And we can paste it at the bottom, put, and we can delete this put. So why? Because we need to change it, right? So here we'll be having headers and one and the same only body, and here if you want you can keep updated post so that we can able to understand it. So here I am changing update post and everything one and the same. So here we need to change it to put. That's it. And in the app.js, if you try to go here, this is the put button app. So if you want you can change it to fetch here, so in order to easy understanding. And here I'll be using the fetch. That's it. So very easy, right? Very simple. So page we are having everything one and the same only. Let's try to refresh this page and get the data. It's working. Add post, it's working. Update post, it's not working. What has happened? So we are trying to send the post request. Like it's a copy paste mistake. Sorry. We need to do the put request here. Yeah. Now let's see. So get post, it's working. Add post, it is adding the, and put, it has updated successfully. So here we are sending the put request and the payload we are sending, and it is trying to update successfully. So now the put request is also completed. Now last one is remaining is the delete request. In the delete request we can delete this everything. Okay. So now here let request is equal to new request of URL we have, and the method we are having is the delete. So we have the request and we need to set it. So fetch of request and when this one is success, so response.json, and if you want you can do the then of callback, and we can catch the error, so log of error. That's it. So we are setting the method delete, right? So the URL is also the same, and app.js also, if you go here, the delete button, we can convert it into fetch here, and this one also we can convert it into fetch. Surely this is one and the same only. So here if I try to go and if I refresh this page, let's go to the get post, it's working fine. Add post, it's working fine. Okay, update post, so it's working fine. And delete post, and delete is also working fine. And here we are able to send the delete request. So here post delete, and headers also we are trying to send the delete request. So successfully we have completed the conversion of this XHR object to the fetch API. So we are using all the things like Ajax library, we have converted everything. So this is the fetch thing. Yet we are trying to do the fetch, and here also we are trying to do the fetch, and here also fetch, and delete is also fetch. So this is how we will be converting. And in the next video we will see the third way of doing, that is nothing but using the third-party library Axios. So that also depends on the promises only. Most probably one and the same only this will be having. We'll try to do the same thing with the Axios. So hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.